Hey folks, Rachel Gingell from Farms.com. I'm here at the National Farm Machinery Show inside the Kubota booth. Kubota is excited about their new subcompact line, which will allow the loader bucket to be removed from the tractor right from the operator's seat, which means that you do not have to get off the tractor in order to take your loader bucket off. That's a great feature. Also, the hydraulic components will be easily removed so that you don't have any leakage like you would see sometimes in the past. The controls are updated up here on the dash. Also, there's a better seat. The ROPS has been shortened so that you can drive this tractor into your garage without worrying about hitting the ROPS on the overhead. So overall, they've made some great upgrades. As you know, Kubota is the leader in the subcompact size of tractor, and this improvement will keep them on top of the game.